Okay, so what is tokenization? Well, it's rather simple. Tokenization, the process of converting words into numbers. Now, well, why do we need this? The reason why we need this is because at the beginning, when we have a block of text and we want to give it to an AI model, the AI model only describes an algorithm on what to do with numbers. It doesn't describe an algorithm what to do with words. So we need some way of converting the words we get as an input into numbers so that we can then use the algorithm given in the form of an AI model to get the next word in this sequence of words. For example, if we have the word hello, then we would want a number equivalent for that, which we can process using our large language model, such as in the case of our llama, 9,906. So this is tokenization. It's taking in a word and compressing it to a single number. Before we add tokenization, we used to split it up into individual characters like this, and then take the number that represents each character as our input numbers. But that's not good, because in a word there tends to be a lot of characters. And the more numbers we have to put through the large language model, the longer it takes us. So tokenization doesn't just take in the raw characters. It takes in entire words and gets number equivalents for entire words. So we can process multiple characters at once in the form of a single number. And these batches of characters tend to be called tokens. So hello would be a token. Another example of a token would be D at the beginning of tokenization. Detokenization. We wouldn't store this as D-E-T-O-K. We would store this as the token D, which would be some number. Then we would store this as a separate number as well. And this way, we don't have to process numbers for each individual letters. We can take words as a whole. Like when you're reading a sentence, you don't spell out every single word. You read the word as a whole. And what tokenization allows large language models to do is to read a word as a whole.